All right. So, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, so I introduce Dr. Chaitanya, who has got a beautiful score of 161 in FMG examination, which happened just a week back and whose result got declared yesterday.
Yes,
So,
sir.
Dr. Chaitanya, बताइए कैसा लग रहा है? How you are feeling? Excited?
Sir, I'm very thrilled to announce that it is finally Dr. Chaitanya now. It has been a very long journey,
क्या बात
and the dams is has been always with us from the very beginning. Well, I have not even looked somewhere else. I have from the start. I have only believed in the dams, and whatever was that, there was like some many people try to make me in the FOMO, look somewhere else, do this, do that,
Yes.
but. No, when someone said to me this, then I remember what our teacher used to say: "Don't be in the FOMO. Only believe in your notes." I just did that, and now you can see that I have get the 161 score, and it's all thanks to DEMS. And I have to say, DFX was
बहुत
absolutely amazing. Like in the last month, I was
बहुत
very stressed out. Like I don't know what to study. Like it is only 30 days. Like what to do, what not to do. Very stressed out. But then I have joined the DAMS DFX and wow, it was stunning. Absolutely amazing.
यहाँ पे मैं अपने लिसनर्स को बताना चाहूंगा, जैसे नीट पीजी एंड आईएनआई सीटी के लिए हम डैम डीवीटी करते हैं, विच इज अ डैम्स विजुअल ट्री, इन
Yes,
विच
sir.
1-2 months बिफोर एग्जाम हम इमेजेस पीवाईटी सब कुछ डिस्कस करते हैं। वैसे फॉर फॉरेन मेडिकल ग्रेजुएट वी कंडक्ट डीएफएक्स, विच इज डैम एफएमजी एक्सप्रेस।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It was really
और
very absolutely amazing. Every like I can literally feel whatever teachers, mentors have said in the DFX classes. I can literally hear in my ears, like, just mark this, beta, mark this. This is right. It was like that.
great, that's so great to hear, that's so
Yes, sir.
good to hear। ऑल राइट। एंड डॉक्टर चैतन्य, एक चीज और जानना चाहेंगे हम,
Yes, sir.
जैसे कि अब दिस हैपेंस आफ्टर एवरी 6 मंथ, एफएमजी जो है हर 6 महीने के बाद होता है। तो ये है कि अब जिस दिन आप क्लास ज्वाइन करो, तो तैयारी किस वे से आपने प्रोसीड करा? आपने 6 महीने पहले आपने डांस क्लासेस ज्वाइन करी और 6 महीने में आपने पूरा कोर्स कंप्लीट भी करना है, उसको रिवाइज भी करना है। तो थोड़ा आप अपने जूनियर्स को गाइड कीजिए कि हाउ शुड दे प्रोसीड।
Sir, first they have to make a timetable, and the discipline is must. If you have like decided that you have to wake up at 8 a.m., then you must wake up at 8 a.m. no matter what. If your lunch time is 1:30, then you have to stick with the 1:30. Don't do like I will do this later. Just stick with the timetable. Discipline is must. If you lack discipline, then it will be like somewhat difficult. But in my case, I have stick with the discipline. Like I have made a timetable and I follow that very perfectly, and I got the result.
That's another very important message, that you have to remain motivated and you
Yes,
have
sir.
to be in discipline all the
Yes,
time,
sir.
है ना? तो ये
For the
बहुत ज्यादा
motivation, we
इंपॉर्टेंट
have
है।
our dance teacher. They are always motivating us, no matter what. Whenever I feel low, I just listen to dance teacher, and I feel like, yeah, it's relaxing. It's nothing. FMG, we will clear it. No problem.
ऑल राइट। तो डॉक्टर चैतन्य, हम कितने एमसीक्यूज कर रहे थे ऑन ऑन एन एवरेज? हाउ मेनी एमसीक्यूज वर वी डूइंग पर डे?
Well, at first I was doing 50 MCQ per day from the DQB. Then I have like when the exam came near, I started to from 50 to 70, then 100. My maximum I have done 100 MCQ per day.
दैट्स ग्रेट। सो एमसीक्यूज भी साथ साथ करना इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, है
Yes,
ना?
sir. MCQ is must. Like, if you want to crack something, you must be familiar with what type of question are they giving us and what type of language they are using. We have to familiar with that. That's why MCQ is very must.
ऑल राइट। और डॉक्टर चैतन्य, एक चीज और, कुछ स्टूडेंट्स आकर दे शेयर के सर, हमने तो ऐसा सुना है कि सारे 19 सब्जेक्ट नहीं करने होते हैं, 3 और 4 सब्जेक्ट जो स्मॉल शॉर्ट सब्जेक्ट है उनको छोड़ के चले जाओ, लेकिन 12-13 मेजर सब्जेक्ट करके चले जाओ, फिर भी स्कोर अच्छा आ जाएगा। तो आपका क्या इस पे टेक है? व्हाट इज योर पर्सनल कॉल ऑन दिस थॉट?
Sir, personally, I believe that short subjects are very easy to tackle. Like if we like they have the same pattern of asking the question in the short subject. If we just if we just go to the DFX of short subject, then it is like more than enough. We can score exactly like 30 MCQ from it, like all the combined short subjects.
राइट सो यहाँ पे एक इम्पॉर्टेंट मैसेज वो डॉक्टर चैतन्य हमें दे रहे हैं, वो ये कि कोई भी सब्जेक्ट को छोड़ना नहीं है हमें। अगर हम कोई सब्जेक्ट ऑलरेडी छोड़ के जा रहे हैं तो वो स्कोर तो ऑलरेडी 0 हो गया है।
Yes,
तो हम एक्चुअल में हमें फिर 300 में से 150 नहीं लेनी है। वो जो 300 वाला स्कोर है वो ऑलरेडी 30-40 क्वेश्चन कम हो चुका है, अब हमें 260 में से 150 लेने हैं। तो
yes, sir.
260 में से 150 लेना इज मोर डिफिकल्ट देन
Yes, sir.
300 में से 150 लेना
Yes,
है
sir.
ना।
Like we cannot believe the pattern right now. Like they can ask questions from anywhere right now. They can even make psychiatry 13 marks and like PSM 10 marks. Like it's not very
Absolutely.
predictable. We have to prepare for everything. We have to like give 19 subjects.
Absolutely, absolutely. Any specific faculty you felt very connected to? Of course, I know all our 19 faculties are gold,
Yes,
but
sir.
कोई specific faculty जिनके साथ आप personally connect हुए or kind of you enjoyed attending that particular class?
Yes, sir. Like personally, I believe the surgery class, like Dr. Gaurav Patel, sir. Surgery was like absolutely mesmerizing. Like everything the sir said, like this question will came only on identify basing. Like this question will came, like they will ask only this much and everything like that. Like DF even in the DFX, sir said even if question came, this will came on this, not that. Don't study this. Like I followed that, and like in this paper, the surgery was like in a very big chunk. Like so that was very helpful to me.
Great, great, great. Any last message you would want to give to your juniors who will start preparing right from 2-3 days after after coming to India after finishing their graduation? उनके लिए कोई मैसेज है? क्या देना मैसेज चाहेंगे आप उनको?
I want to share to them like just make a timetable, follow it, and whatever coaching classes you have joined, just stick to that. They are absolutely amazing in their job. They know what to do and they know how to get your FMG cleared. So just stick to them, and like rest is just enjoy the process.
भी जरूर करना है और प्रीवियस ईयर टॉपिक्स भी जरूर करने हैं, है ना। ये मैं थोड़ा आपकी तरफ से ऐड कर रहा हूँ बिकॉज PYQs if not as such but topics are definitely repeated. तो कुछ PYQs भी थे इस बार but PYTs are also there, so it gives a sense of the orientation of the examiner कि वो किस डायरेक्शन में जाके क्वेश्चन पूछना चाह रही है ना।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. PYTs are very important.
All right, all right. With this, thank you very much, Dr. Chaitanya. It was our pleasure and thank you for making us the part of your journey. तो मिलते हैं कभी, आओ कभी चंडीगढ़ आओ या कभी दिल्ली आओ, just let us know and we'll definitely meet and we'll celebrate.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir. It will be my honor, sir. Thank you, sir.
All right. Thank you, dear. Thank you. Bye bye and take care. My best wishes to you.
Thank you, sir. Thanks. It's my honor. Bye bye, sir.
Bye bye.